Tautakan, pagalingan, patatagan. Get ready for another controversial season starting tomorrow dahil magsisimula na ang Survivor Philippines Celebrity Doubles Showdown. This time, 10 pares ang sasalang sa matinding pagsubok ng isla, each aiming to earn the title of being the ultimate survivor. Ang love team na sina Isabel Granada at Chucky Dreyfus. Ang bitter exes na sina Geneva Cruz at Casey Montero. Ang hot item na sina Steph Prescott at Gino De La Peña. Ang magpinsang astig na sina Arthur Solinap at Carlo Gonzalez. Ang Island Divas na sina Angelicopter at Jackie Forster. Ang best friends forever na sina Aifa Medina at Alisa Alano. Ang couple na sina Ellen Adarna at Philo Cucueco. Ang Raging Volcanoes na sina Arnold Aninion at John Odulio. Ang comic duo nina May at Betong. At ang mother-daughter tandem nina Mara Yokohama at Maria Isabel Lopez. Pero bago pa man unti-unting ma-reveal ang mga sikreto nila sa isla, ang host ng Survivor Philippines na si Richard Gutierrez may mga pasasabugin ng mga revelasyon ngayong hapon dito sa Showbiz Central. Live na live!
Kasama na po natin ngayon si Richard Gutierrez at ang Survivor Philippines Celebrity Double Showdown Castaways.
Good afternoon, Pia, and good afternoon sa lahat ng nanonood ng Showbiz Central. Survivor's ready!
Hindi ba kayo napaparaning pag naririnig nyo na yan? Yung mga words na yan. Ang gusto ko malaman, I want the inside scoop before everybody gets to catch a glimpse of the first episode tomorrow. Chard, kwentuhan mo naman ako. Sino sa lahat ng mga castaways na ito ang pinaka-pasaway?
Pinaka-pasaway? Alam mo, sa season na ito, maraming pasaway. Abangan ninyo yan dahil marami talaga nagpasaway this season. Pero that only means na we have strong personalities na maganda yung characters natin, yung mga castaways natin ngayon. Pero pinaka-pasaway,
parang beauty contest.
may ilan sa kanila, may ibang wala dito, pero...
Ayan, let's talk about those people who aren't here.
Well, si Jackie ang tagline niya pinakapasaway, di ba?
Best in pinakapasaway.
Pasaway Jackie. Para sa akin, naging pasaway din minsan si Gino.
Oh my gosh! You look so harmless too.
Naging pasaway din si Mara.
Mara.
Basta marami nagpasaway
Talaga?
dito. Oh, marami.
I think you guys should be proud of that title kasi I think pinili naman talaga kayo for your strong personalities.
Yes, there's nothing wrong with that.
Oh.
I mean, it just showed their strong personalities na nagka-clash sa bawat isa, nagka-clash sa akin. I mean, it's the game of survival in the jungle and I'm part of it. So, nangyayari talaga yun.
Pwede naman natin silang paapilahin. Jackie, you want to say something in your defense? Ano masasabi mo? Ikaw daw ang pinakapasaway, Reyna.
Actually, to tell you the truth, I asked them why. I asked the staff, and they said, well, you just watch it. So I guess everybody has to just watch it to see why. Because even I don't know. So I guess I'm just gonna find out the way everybody does.
Okay. Sabi ko nga kay Jackie, she has to live up to her reputation, ha? Merong panuntunan yan. At sino naman ang I'm sure marami ring ganito, pinaka-maarte?
Maarte.
Sana walang boys.
Parang absent daw, absent. Wala dito.
Better.
Oo. Absent.
Sino? Ha?
Sino?
Tita, alam ko na kung sino.
Ay, Tita Maribel.
Mother-daughter tandem. Oo.
Well, naintindihan naman natin yan, former beauty queen.
Yes,
So she deserves that. At sino naman ang mga na-injure ng matindi? I know, balitang-balita si Steph Prescott.
Reyna dyan si Steph. Reyna si Steph na mga na-injure talaga sa season na ito. Dahil simple lang naman yung injury niya. Natuka lang naman ng Philippine Cobra. That's about the worst thing that could happen sa season na ito at nangyari kay Steph. And I'm glad she survived it. And she didn't stop playing. She didn't stop playing the game. So
Yun nga
we have to
yung
give it to Steph.
Yun nga yung bati ko kay Steph eh. I heard you got bitten by a cobra. So why are you still alive?
That would be worse. Yung pinaka-worst na pwedeng mangyari, hindi makagat ng ash, yung mamatay ka. Yan ang worst talaga.
pero storya na matindi yung paano ka nakasurvive. And that's what they're gonna have to
Exactly.
watch out for.
Kaabang-abang talaga. Marami pang mangyayari mga kapuso. Maraming twist, challenges. This season is going to be very exciting. Kaya talagang kaabang-abang. Bukas na po yan.
And Shard was telling me, ibang-iba talaga yung naging chemistry dahil in pairs na sila ngayon.
Oo, first time ngayon na makikita nyo celebrity pairs maglalaban-laban sa isla, kung anong diskarte ang gagawin nila para manalo. I mean, are they going to stick to each other? Are they going to separate? Malalaman po ninyo yan bukas na ang simula.
Alright, maraming salamat sa lahat ng castaways. Shard!
Thank you
Thank you
Showbiz
so
Central.
much.
Bukas ng gabi po yan, pagkatapos ng Munting Heredera, 9 p.m. po. Ito ang tunay na reality show, Survivor Philippines.
And also, we should check out the new venue of Survivor Philippines. It's done right here in our own country sa Palawan po, kaya tignan din po natin. At let's be curious about the beauty of our own country. Maraming salamat nga pala sa House of Obaji, kay Charina Sarte for my outfit, at kay Cherry Reyes of Tony and Guy. Magbabalik pa po ang Showbiz Central. Oh no, we have more interviews with Direk Yam Laranas and Raymond.
Yes,